I'm going to show you this, and then you'll be delighted to know I'm going to show you some hacky shit. All right, so I've got the chance to show you a cool Amazon hack. So sit tight. We've got 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you some hacks. All right, so can I use this to do that? I can't, because it's not a bundle, Neil. Let's go to a bundle so I can show you. All right, here we go. Here is, for your viewing pleasure, a bundle. So as you can see, this is a bundled product of a essential oil diffuser, that's that thing in the background made of wood, and top 8 essential oil set. So that is a product that has been made by bringing 2 other products together to create a third unique product, all right? And that is the very definition of a bundle. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many it may be, disparate products all getting sold together, and by doing so that becomes a bundle. Now, here's how, well, let's go check this. So now I'm going to go and see what else they sell to see if this actually is a good thing to show you. So sold by Desert Beauty, and you can see again, look, it's also sold by other people. So there's other sellers, so that goes back to that buy box thing that I was just talking about. But let's go check out Desert Beauty. Here is Desert Beauty's storefront, right there. All right, now, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 essential oils. That's their singular 8 essential oil gift set, all right, which forms part and parcel of this bundle here. So we know they sell the essential oils separately to the bundle. Let's have a look at what else they sell, because hopefully there's their bundle. Hopefully they sell that thing separately too. Let's have a look. Yes, they do. Very smart. Well done, folks. So here's the diffuser on its own too. So now you've got the diffuser that they sell separately, the essential oils that they sell separately, and then they've combined them together as well to create a bundle that they sell together. All right, so let's open this up, and it was this one, wasn't it? Yes, it was this one. All right, now, so there's our bundle. That's one of the unique items of the bundle. That's the other unique item of the bundle. They bring them together and it becomes a bundle. So that's the first part of the mix question. Now let's continue on. Now we'll scroll down and we're going to go check 2 things. So first thing to notice, here's the ASIN number, Amazon Standard Identification Number, ASIN number for this product, B01, bloody bloody blah. Here's the identification number for this, B07, bloody bloody blah. Here's the ASIN number for this, B011, bloody bloody blah. So instantly we know that Amazon is treating those 3 different products differently because it's assigned a unique ASIN to each. Okay, that's the first important thing for you to know. Second important thing for you to know, let's scroll down. Brand registry, looking very nice. Nice job, fellas. Good job of your brand registry listing. So here's where the UPC barcode is. Make a mental of that. Have you got it? Mental note, 816, bloody bloody blah. Then we'll come down here. Again, very nicely job done. Good listing, fellas or ladies, whatever it may be. Here's the UPC barcodes. Notice it is different. Different. Oh my goodness, what can that mean? And we'll do the last one. And here we go, UPC barcodes, bloody bloody blah. Notice again that it is different to all the rest, all right? So what does that mean? Well, it means items on Amazon that have their own ASIN number, this bundle for instance, must have their own UPC barcode to create that uniqueness. So Amazon treats your bundle as a separate product completely. It doesn't say, oh, it's just a child product of product number A, product number B, bring them together, that's product number C. It doesn't do that. It says product C is its separate entity in and of itself. So when you set up your bundles, that tells us that you must have your own unique UPC barcode for each bundle that you sell on Amazon. So I believe that also answers Adam's question. And something for you to note here, those of you that are in my Diamond group, you may notice all these lovely related video shorts just down here, and you may think to yourself, my goodness, how frigging cool Neil is. We're getting our own videos done in Diamond. Boom!
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.